can just enter into some of the colors like this. All right, so I just now know my circle location. So what would happen if I create a circle and see what is happening? So I create a plane as my circle. Even though I can't see them now, there are really tiny circles inside of each and every cell we have. So just to give an idea, or just to follow with what we have, we can just use the size 1000 again. So if I connect a number, and then if I connect this to here and connect it to here, my radius is going to be obviously 1000. And if we do that, we will be increasing the size. So what we need to do is we need to divide this into 2.